Okay, Bob, tell me about this fine truck.
This is a 1956 Dodge Studebaker pickup with a 62 Studebaker 289 V8, 3-speed with an overdrive transmission. All Studebaker, electric fan for additional cooling. Can drive down the freeway at 65 with no issue.
Is this considered like a half-ton or a three-quarter-ton truck? Or do they designate them that way?
It towed a Studebaker car to car shows in the southeast. So I'm guessing it's a three-quarter ton. It's a Transtar Seven, I believe, by their designations. It has a cover with a frame that of course will go with it. It's black, fits tight, dual exhaust, starts easy, runs good. I've had it, I don't know, 8-10 years.
And where'd you find it?
Outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, from a retired Ohio highway patrolman. As I said, he towed his Studebaker classic car to car shows back there with it.
Very neat.
It's got an updated radio.
Yeah, why don't you pop that door if you could? It's a 3-speed, 4-speed?
3-speed with overdrive. If you're going down the road at 55 and let off the gas, it shifts into overdrive.
Very cool. Well, great. Boy, it runs good.
Oh, sure, it does.
Smooth.
After you started them, it's unbelievable.
Yeah.